You say? Oh, turn this down because on the copyright situation. So hi guys, yes, it's me Jess and I am back. So today, well actually tonight, because I did no vlogging, no recording, no nothing all day today. So we're actually at the mobile home that Brian renovated. If you watch another one of my videos, I was talking about Brian renovating the mobile home. So we are here now, and I'm going to take a look at what he has got done so far. I believe he's pretty much finished. I think there's some things that he got to touch up on and get done, but he actually has a buyer in that is looking to purchase the home. So everything is working out just fine. Everything is, you know, just pretty much working itself out, and yeah, God is good. So this is how we're starting out this new year. So yeah, but I'm sitting in the truck right now, so I'm going to actually turn the camera so you all can see this outside situation. I am going to get out, but right now I'm waiting on him to, I guess, get the key and open up or whatever. I don't know, but I'll show you guys what I see right now. So this is it. And it wasn't too much that needed to be done as far as the outside. It did require a new roof, and I was telling him I love the black shutters. It just brings out that white, like it just, you know, gives it that sophisticated look. And that is how I actually had to go right there. But yeah, this is quite a big mobile home. Yeah, I'm so proud of him. This is something that he actually loves doing. Yep, keeps him busy, so.
You gotta get out.
You gotta get out. Okay. So, I'm outside now. Like I was saying, this is the outside of it. It really looks good. I don't know how good it looks on camera, but it looks good. Okay. I like the black door too. I said I like the black door too. We got to be painted over though.
Yeah, it'll come back.
What's this paint on it?
Probably what paint came off of it. Paint gotta come back and do some touch up.
Oh, okay. All right, let me do my video really. It looks good. What's this? The living area right here. And then the floors. Everything has to be cleaned up. It's not cleaned up yet, but I have the dining area. Walking to the kitchen. Yes, this is another eating area or sitting area, whatever they choose to make it. Over here. Come back here. We have the bathroom. Come here, you have a room. Here, basic room. Probably kids' room. And we have the closets there. Or nursery, whatever you choose to make that. Here, there's another room. And closets. Here's another room. So there's 3 rooms so far. Back into this one. Laundry area. Back here. Master bedroom. Closet. Enter the master bedroom. My bathroom, oh my god. It's nice, bathroom nice. Nice open area, bathroom.
Wonder how these mirrors gonna look in here.
I can't even show y'all, it's so dark out here. It's like so much land out here. It's a lot, but I can't show it on camera. It's so dark. But anyway, it's a lot of land out here too. It's not. It's a lot of land. So whoever gets this is gonna be happy with it. Minnie is okay. What's wrong with Minnie? What's wrong with Minnie? What's wrong with her?
Sad.
Why is Minnie sad? Cause what?
Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy.
Why is Minnie sad? Huh? Minnie sad or you sad?
I sad. Mimi sad.
Minnie sad? Why is she sad?
Mimi will see.
Huh?
Mimi will see.
She wanna go to sleep?
Mimi will see.
Minnie wanna go to sleep?
Mimi will see.
She wanna see.
Uh-huh.
What she wanna see? Girl, what you got on?
Mama,
What?
why you
Why on what?
doing?
Why you got your booty out? Thank you. But I don't want to see that.
But
Her butt out. Mm-hmm.
But
Ew.
but
Minnie, okay now? Huh? She's better? Okay, I'm glad Minnie okay.
get down.
So, you guys, I wanted to talk to you all.
Mommy.
But Braylon ain't gonna let me be great. Like always.
Mommy, you'll see.
Yes, Braylon.
Mommy, you'll see.
You wanna see? What you wanna say? Oh, they come back here today. All I can say,
Mommy.
Happy Easter Day. Leave me alone. My name Ladera. What you want to say, girl? What you want to say? Nothing. You just want the spotlight.
Eat.
Huh?
Guys, we'll eat.
You ready to go eat? Okay. You ready to go eat?
Wow.
Okay, back to you all. Okay, so you all, I want to talk about cheating. Many of us have been cheated on. We have dealt with that situation.
Mommy.
Everyone does not handle that situation the same.
Mommy.
But I think I ain't gonna be able to really talk about it right now. So I'm gonna have to wait till I'm by myself to really talk to you all, because Braylon, once again. Yes, Braylon.
Mommy, Mimi will see.
Many wanna see.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You all, I'm just, give you all my story as far as what I went through, how I handled it, and everything. And I'm just going to pick, I think, one of them. Because I done been cheated on more than one time.
No.
More than one time. And it has been more than one time in more than one relationship. So, but yeah, I want to have sit down with me and talk to you all about my situation, what I went through, just a piece of the puzzle of my life, how I handled what I went through. Because like I said, we all may have that same title and a part of our story, but we all may not have handled it the same way. We all may not be over it. Some of us may still be dealing with the situation. Some of us may be healed from the situation. But, we all can learn from each other. We all can, listen to each other's story and take a bit from each other. So, yeah, I want to share with you all that. And like I said, I'll probably have to sit down later and talk to you all, because Brandon's not going to let me talk about it. So, yeah. Here comes Brian.